Welcome to the channel. This fixed lens comes from an old Edox camera. The lens has a built-in shutter aperture that you want to get rid of. With a few screws, I had the lens open and the shutter blade spontaneously fell out. Then it was only a matter of designing an M42 ring and 3D printing. The ring is glued to the lens with superglue. Not a bad lens, but it has a very short, difficult to adjust focus. With the well-known helicoid adapter, I was able to get quite close. Results are achievable, but I was not blown away. But it's always nice to transform such an old lens so that it can be used again in a new era.